At RCM Industries, excellence in aluminum die casting isn't just a promise, it's our legacy. Since 1951, we've set the standard for quality and innovation, evolving into one of the largest and most respected custom die casting companies in the nation. Still privately held and proudly independent, we've grown into a team of over 500 dedicated professionals that deliver expertly manufactured and finished parts for the world's top manufacturing companies. Our 4 strategically located facilities ensure unparalleled quality and service nationwide for our customers. RCM Industries' experience, range of die casting machines, and automation systems allows us to produce high-quality parts and adapt to an extensive range of industries and complex requirements. We have mastered the art and science of die casting and optimizing products to be stronger, lighter, and more cost-effective for our clients. And our advanced technology and innovative approach keep us at the cutting edge, able to deliver tailored solutions with unrivaled precision. But technology is only part of the story. Our true strength lies in our unwavering dedication to customer care. At RCM Industries, our customers are the heart of everything we do. We're committed to understanding your needs, exceeding your expectations, and providing real value through every stage of the manufacturing process. With upfront engineering, advanced data automation and reporting, and rigorous ESG standards, we ensure that every project is executed with the utmost caliber and integrity. Our focus on quality isn't just about meeting standards, it's about setting them. Experience the difference with RCM Industries Inc., where tradition meets innovation, and every project is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Let's build the future of manufacturing together.